Hello everyone, my name is Dhruv Adesra, a student from SEPT University pursuing my Masters in Construction Engineering and Management. My student course is PCM 25099. As the part of first semester studio, construction formulation and appraisal, a feasibility study was conducted for Ahmedabad Rajkot semi high speed rail project. Our project feasibility consists of various parts, and I will be discussing project brief, alignment analysis, risk management, and bid process management. Project brief. This project is being developed by Gujarat Rail Infrastructure Development Limited, which is also known as GRIDE. It is a major public infrastructure initiative covering a total length of 225 kilometers. The planned construction duration is 10 years and the project will be executed under EPC contract model, ensuring integrated engineering, procurement and construction responsibility under one entity. The estimated project cost is 39,000 crore with the funding structure includes 60% debt support from JICA and 40% equity contributed from GRIDE, creating a balanced financial framework for long-term viability. The need for the project is rooted in improving connectivity between major cities and supporting regional growth. Ahmedabad and Rajkot connected today through road and conventional rail, but travel time remains long and the service frequency is limited. With the rising population, industrial growth, and increased intercity movement, a semi-high-speed rail become more essential. This corridor offers fast commuting, enhance regional integration, reduce traffic load on highways, and boost Saurashtra region tourism. Thus, the project addresses both present and future mobility challenges. For the location analysis, both macro and micro assessment were conducted. In the macro analysis, various cities across Gujarat were evaluated and Ahmedabad was identified as primary node due to its strong connectivity with all the major modes of transportation within the state and beyond. The city's selection methodology involves ranking cities based on the demographic and logistic parameters. Cities such as Rajkot, Bhavnagar, Morbi, and Jamnagar was evaluated based on measurable indicators like population, tourist footfall, distance, and daily trade. After scoring all the cities, Rajkot and Ahmedabad were confirmed as the ideal ending point for the corridor development. After microanalysis, macro-level evaluation was conducted to compare different alignment options between Rajkot and Ahmedabad, where two of them were newly proposed alignments, and option 3, which was expansion of existing corridor. The inference from this micro-level evaluation clearly identifies that option 2, Sabarmati Sanand, Bavla Limbdi Chotila Rajkot, as the most suitable alignment. This option offers the best balance between distance and construction feasibility, fewer land acquisition issues, strong connectivity to development industrial zone, better opportunity for transit-oriented development. Therefore, option 2 is recommended as the final alignment. Moving on to the risk management, a total of 123 risks were identified and categorized across different project phases. The majority of these risks falls under project management, technological and financial risk. After categorizing all the risks, they were plotted on the threat and opportunity matrix based on the probability of occurrence and the level of impact on the project. From the evaluation, the major threat identified include local geopolitical shift, landowner being unwilling to sell, and potential damage to the underground utilities. On the other hand, change in traffic pattern and evolving customer preference present a strong opportunity that can positively impact the project's long-term viability. This slide indicates how risk owner is distributed Across project stakeholder, most of the identified risks are assigned either to client or to project management consultant, as they are primarily responsible for planning, coordinating and regulatory aspects. In the terms of preventive measures, nearly three-fourths of all the risk has been addressed through mitigation or avoidance strategies, ensuring strong control during the project execution. This slide explains the procurement approach for selecting the feasibility consultant, who play a crucial role in defining the project technical and financial direction. Since the feasibility study involves alignment evaluation, survey planning, preliminary design cost estimation, and assessing environmental and social impact, it requires a strong technical expertise. Therefore, the recommended method is quality based selection, where technical competency is given higher importance than cost. The process follows a single stage two envelope system in which technical proposals are evaluated first and only qualified bidders proceed to the financial evaluation. The evaluation weightage is set at 80% technical and 20% financial, ensuring the quality remains the main factor. The consultant is engaged through a lump sum contract, which is suitable because of the scope is clearly defined and outcome driven. Overall, the procurement strategy ensures the feasibility stage is handled by a high capable consultant, establishing a strong foundation for the entire project. This slide outlines the procurement strategy for the project management consultant, who play a key role in supervising design, monitoring progress, ensuring quality, and coordinating all the construction activities. Given the importance of this role, the selection is done through a quality-based selection method using a single stage to envelope bidding process. Evaluation is weighted at 70% technical and 30% financial to prioritize expertise. The PMC is appointed on a lump sum contract, which ensures a well-defined scope and efficient project management throughout the execution phase. This slide describes the procurement approach for appointing EPC contractor, who will be responsible for complete engineering, procurement and construction of the corridor. As this is a public infrastructure project, the list cost selection method is used to maintain transparency and ensure efficient use of public fund. The process follows a single stage two envelope system, where technical competency is evaluated first and the contract is awarded to the low qualified financial bidder. The EPC contract model provides integrated delivery, strong cost control, and a single point of accountability for timely execution. To conclude with, the comprehensive analysis carried out for the project clearly established the project as a strategically significant and technically robust initiative. The location analysis first at the micro level and then refined through the macro level evaluation highlights the strong regional demand and connectivity potential. Through the systematic comparison, the Ahmedabad, Sanand, Bavla, Limbdi, Chotila, Rajkot alignment emerged as the most balanced option, offering the best combination of a feasibility, accessibility, and long-term development benefits for the Saurashtra region. In terms of risk management, a detailed assessment of 123 risks reveals important insight into potential challenges and opportunities, while issues such as land acquisition resistance and underground utility conflict and a geopolitical shift poses high threat to the project. The majority of risks fall into the category that can be efficiently mitigated or avoided through the structure planning, strong project governance, and early stakeholder engagement. The contract structure and procurement strategy plan a central role. It ensures successful project execution. The selection of feasibility consultant and project management consultant through quality based selection ensures the experience, expertise, and technical competence drive key planning and monitoring activities. Meanwhile, the EPC contractor is procured through the transparent least cost approach, reflects the public nature of the project, and ensures the optimal utilization of public fund. The choice of the EPC model provides an integrated framework with single point of responsibility, strong cost control, and streamlined execution timelines. Overall, the finding clearly demonstrates that the corridor is not only feasible but also strongly positioned to deliver significant mobility, economic, and financial benefit to the state. With well-defined risk and a strong procurement strategy and an efficient contract structure, the project is set on a solid foundation for the successful implementation and long-term impact. Thank you.